Hello, I'm Councillor Ben Taylor. I'm from Blaby District Council and I have responsibilities for planning. I'm here to give you a few reasons why we, Blaby District Council, are against the Hinckley National Rail Freight interchange proposal. I'm standing in what would be the heart of this rail hub site. We'd lose miles of countryside behind me, all to make way for warehousing. The loss of countryside would be the equivalent of over 300 football pitches. The rail hub could have further detrimental effects to the wider area, including the Narborough crossing. The barrier time will be down much longer. We could have trains up to half a mile long, increasing the traffic, the congestion, the air pollution. These are more reasons why we object as a council. We vehemently oppose the rail hub plans due to the environmental and the social impacts. We'll continue to fight this on your behalf over the course of the examination, which takes place over 6 months. If you want to find out more, visit our website. You can look at the progress and find out what we've submitted.